Hi guys, it's Wayne again. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to do machine learning and data analysis on your Android device with a particular focus on the Python programming language. Okay, to get started, go to your search bar, right? Or Google search, whatever you use to search. Go to search for Google Collab. Then it should be your first option there with the link written collab.research.google.com. If you wanna know, Google Collab or Collaboratory for short is a product from Google Research, right? Collab allows anybody to write and execute arbitrary Python code through the browser and is especially well suited to machine learning, data analysis, and education. So it's basically perfect for our uses. Okay, so going into the link collab.research.google.com. Um, I already have some notebooks already, like I've used this before, but alright, open new notebook and you should see like a get started guide, help guide, like to help you get familiar with the platform. Okay, like for this I would recommend that you guys go and research well on how to use IPython and Jupyter notebooks. Like it's really helpful if you're familiar with those platforms. Then coming into the collaboratory environment, okay, basically to insert a new cell, like where you would write your code, click on the plus sign on the top right corner. Then from there you can write your code to import either any library like NumPy, import the matplotlib. Of course, this is the standard. Is import it as PLT. You can then run by that play button, the conditional play button to execute your code to see that everything was like your imports were run correctly. Okay, like notice at the top left corner there is written connecting. When you're executing your code, like you type it from your browser environment, right? Then that code gets submitted to Google's hardware. If I can put it, you get allocated a section, like a virtual machine in Google's hardware where you can run your code, right? As you can see, like it has a section called RAM and disk, like you're allocated for free, and this is for free. So like, don't try to abuse this environment. Like, keep it free for everyone. You can even type, of course, the standard print hello world. Yeah. Excuse my bad typing skills. Well, they're not that bad. My unacceptable. Let's call it that. Okay, then you can run it. Hello world. And take note, this platform is open for the Python language, right? Of course, there are some libraries which are not installed by default in the Google hardware, right? In order to install them, you press the exclamation mark, right? Then you peep, then install your whatever framework you want. Maybe it's Django, right? Like for you, all you web developers out there. Then you run the cell, and then you see, then it gets those requirements and then installs it. Then you can actually then import that package. In this case, Django was already there, but well, I don't know what you guys out there will be like playing with. Okay, so for me, not to make this long, just go and check out the Google Collab platform. Peace out.